Africa is on the verge of a $25 trillion transformation, a reconfiguration of trade that could reshape the entire continent's future. But this isn't just about money. It's about sustainability, self-reliance, and a new vision for Africa's development. In today's video, we'll explore how this massive trade shift, powered by the African Continental Free Trade Area, AfCFTA, could fuel green growth, create millions of jobs, and make Africa a global model for sustainable prosperity. For decades, Africa's trade pattern has been largely outward-facing, exporting raw materials and importing finished goods. But the African Continental Free Trade Area, AfCFTA, aims to reconfigure this model. It connects over 1.4 billion people across 54 nations, creating a single market for African goods and services. This shift is about trading more within Africa, building industries at home, and reducing overdependence on outside economies. According to economists, this new trade structure could unlock over $25 trillion in combined trade and investment potential by 2050. But what makes it truly powerful is how it aligns with Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. With the AfCFTA, African nations can build local manufacturing to reduce waste and carbon emissions, encourage renewable energy trade like solar panels, biofuels, and clean tech, promote inclusive trade that uplifts small businesses, women, and youth. It's a blueprint for a green and inclusive African economy. Africa contributes less than 4% of global carbon emissions, yet it faces the worst impacts of climate change. By redesigning trade around eco-friendly production and regional value chains, AfCFTA can help Africa grow without repeating the mistakes of industrialized nations. Imagine a continent where green cities rise from innovation and young Africans lead in clean tech exports. That's what this trade reconfiguration makes possible. Of course, this journey won't be easy. Africa still faces hurdles like poor infrastructure and limited connectivity, trade barriers between neighbors, insufficient investment in renewable technology, regional insecurity. But the progress is already visible. New roads, ports, and digital trade systems are emerging, and African leaders are increasingly aligning policies with sustainability goals. If Africa stays on course, the $25 trillion reconfiguration could mark the beginning of a new economic era. An era where growth meets green innovation, where trade builds resilience, and where Africa defines its destiny through sustainability, unity, and smart trade. Africa's trade reconfiguration isn't just about rethinking markets, it's about reimagining the future. Do you believe Africa's $25 trillion opportunity can truly deliver a sustainable future? Let's talk about it at the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about Africa's transformation, sustainability, and green growth.